Seun Kuti. It's not Seun Kuti, the one that slapped policeman. I think it's that one. See your own legacy. A slap, a confirm a security man in a country. When you call yourself a citizen, where your father leave a good step for your family, but you didn't hear when Fela slap a policeman? As if Fela stubborn, this Fela didn't raise hand one day, but this one is just a tout, because the legacy where fathers keep, that's what the guy is using. We don't know him anywhere. In 2,000 years coming, we'll still remember Fela Kuti, but in children now will be wiped out. Is the person that are talking rubbish. He used instead they talk about Seun Igboho. We know say Seun Igboho already collect something, but you cannot count it off. It is the person that started agitation of Oduduwana that will say that people, Fulani and everybody shake. Now let me come back to nnamdikanu. The boy is a boy. The Tata cannot stand when nnamdikanu stand. Their language is Otobe. In Otobe, he no reach anything. He said he want make fans. That's why I said that nnamdikanu, they are staying outside country and do agitation. And no, let her just come outside one day say in Oduduwa nation. If they no kill him once, they no need to invite somebody. You see somebody that pull a country, a nation, Africa, Britain, they know about this man. They know about him. If nnamdikanu, anything happen for nnamdikanu, he himself there cannot stand in Nigeria. I'm not taking celebrity media talk. This is the reality. He himself cannot stand there. Do you understand me? It's a talk of a small boy. Fela Kuti's son is 1984 or 1970 something. He's still a small boy. You never know anything. See the flesh life. Yeah? Talk less of Ekpa. Where Ekpa stand? Ekpa is more important for Nigeria more than him. What did the guy achieve for Nigeria? Ekpa is a former Nigeria sports guy. Ekpa run for Nigeria. He win a medal. Go and check Ekpa this thing. He win a medal for Nigeria for Olympic. Ekpa is a former Nigeria politician. They know the guy. Now the guy is number one, is a citizen in a Finland. And this guy's coming out again and shake the whole Nigeria. Look at now, the whole Nigeria said that, including the military said that Ekpa is the problem of Nigeria. Look at only one person, it's a problem of a nation. You are saying that the person is staying outside country and fight agitation of Biafra, so the person to come Nigeria. It's only a foolish person can say that you will see where you will die. You come and stand that place. You understand me? As a wise man, you need to gather yourself very, very well. When you attack, your enemy cannot have the strength to attack you back. This boy, what he's saying is jargon. He want make people to notice. He say somebody like this is talking. Look at as he stupid rich. He slap a policeman. He slap a policeman. The boy can go to Ghana and slap a Ghana police. Ordinary Ghana here. Togo here, the guy cannot slap a Togo police person in the Togo. Togolese is a country you call a giant of Africa. You slap your security, the person that secure you on your land. But they need to bring the guy short, life in prison. What I see that I want to let people notice somebody like he exists. Maybe many people is not coming. Okay, look at the legacy where his father gets. Now, he want to smoke the kind of marijuana, the kind of rubbish life. You go to Alawosa here, Fela shrine, and live this useless kind of life. That's the legacy he brings in the country, in the election. The people that are fighting, that people say, let my people to be free. Did the Sameka hungry? Did nnamdikanu is a hungry man? Did nnamdikanu have Nigeria citizen card? Nnamdikanu have UK citizen. He's a citizen. The two people he's talking about is a citizen people. Even though some Igboho that still collect, he's a citizen in any country where he is. You see it? Okay, look at ordinary Charlie boy. Charlie boy is not fighting for Biafra. Charlie boy have respect more than the boy you are talking about. You see, the problem you have in this country that when you see a white something, he said that white is the black. When you see somebody that doing well, praise that person. Is that this stupid guy? When Jonathan is a president, is that stupid guy come out in Ojota and play music and say we don't want Jonathan government? Let that idiot, that guy come outside and say that what is Tulumbu is doing in Nigeria is not good. Let it come out of Ojota here. From in office to Ojota is trackable. From Kuti shrine to Ojota is trackable. If not trackable, he can use bicycle. If he cannot use bicycle, use machine. This is, let's bring your own legacy. See how Nigeria is suffering. See how Nigeria is suffering. No, 95% of Nigeria is happy. None of them. Nigeria government have a big man, poor man, and everybody. Which legacy the guy have? In fact, I already have your own legacy. We know what Fela said. Let everything come today in this our generation. Me, I not too much know Fela Kuti because I'm not a Fela Kuti fans that time. But what go and listen Fela Kuti's song, everything the man said is what is happening now. Now, the song, how many songs where that guy have, where we know? We prefer to listen to face music, to listen, what is his name? Femi. Is it? We don't listen to their music. What did they end Fela Kuti? We see is that now what you are talking about, the death story of Fela Kuti. Did the word Fela Kuti change anything about for Nigeria? The answer is no. Nigeria still remain and worse than what happened. What killed Fela Kuti? Because the word is said, he stay in Nigeria, said the word. They arrest Fela Kuti inside prison. Did the Fela survive inside prison? No, look at Mandela. When sometimes somebody want to say, may look for the people that achieve something. Look at Mandela. Mandela fought for South Africa. When the thing come, Mandela run and later do what? Come back, achieve what? The freedom of South Africa. Look at where again? Okay, look at Wazirike. Wazirike is fighting for Biafra agitation before, but he's staying in Nigeria. What happened? They arrested Wazirike. Wazirike did what? Collect the bribe and do what? And shut off about issue of Biafra. You understand me? Look at a cobra. Cobra. Look at a cobra. When he see a cobra first time, or cobra see you first time, if you are a hunter, you can ask a hunter. When a cobra see immediately, you know what the cobra will do? A cobra will run. As he run, he will do what? He will go and prepare himself and come back with what? With force. That force you are coming back, the cobra will kill his own enemy. Now, let's Sunday Igboho. Sunday Igboho come out as agitation of Oduduwa. He did. The little one have the power. What I believe in Sunday Igboho, that Sunday Igboho just make a step about Oduduwa nation. Before you start anything, you must make a step. Maybe you are not the one who catch that, but you already make a step, like as Ojukwu started Biafran. It's not Ojukwu achieved Biafra, but Ojukwu already make a step and the foundation and the pillars. Now the people who come and achieve a Biafra issue, there is the people in the ground now. Sunday Igboho already make a step. Sunday Igboho now, let me say that Sunday Igboho is more, let me say, you come to Yoruba land, they prefer Sunday Igboho more than, what they call it, Fela son. Davido more than him, because Davido is a celebrity. We know how many people Davido help. We prepare whiskey more than him. You know people, how many people whiskey help. We prepare Burna Boy, even though we will say Burna Boy follow his father legacy more than his children. Is it? What step that guy keeps say, okay, we'll use it and remember him? Not, I didn't say anything. Now you see a great man, they are talking. You are still just sitting one place, talking rubbish. Me, let's cannot reply any word for that kind of foolish person, because you want people to notice him. You understand me? You want make people notice me. Me, the advice I will give Samaneka, no need to reply. Even though Samaneka don't see that kind of person. If that kind of person exists, Samaneka don't know that this kind of person is existing. Do you have any other?
Okay. And lastly, you see the first scarcity now in the country. Do you see this ending anytime soon? But although the communication officer of NNPC has come and said that within a few days, this thing go that this issue of queue will come down. Like, do you think this will improve?
My brother, listen. There is no problem we have in this country that we like to say this person already said this. This person already said it. But watch, and when I'm just small from when I know something that all the old promises Nigeria government give with NNPC or whatever, none of them is working. Now, they say this queue or no queue. What I will tell Nigeria, so all of us know that fuel is going to be a 1,000 naira before from now to December. More job pull for that one for mine. Fuel will be 1,000 naira per liter. More job prepare for that hashi. Me, I don't believe them say or they no say. Action speak than voice. The what is we are passing now, you know that. You remember when they go that strike before? Fuel 600, 350, 400. We say, forget, my brother, fuel is going to 1,000. From now to December, fuel will be 1,000 naira. How much is dollar today? Dollar is 1,000 plus. 1,400. What you are talking about? Did Nigeria produce fuel? Now, what is the federal government is saying now? Let Dangote to bring fuel price down. This personal business. Dangote imports fuel. He ain't a man demand life to sell. Let him sell. Because Nigeria already give her that power. Nigeria already give her power. What is Nigeria federal government is begging? Okay, now you know say we give you power. I help us redo this thing with some months. That's what is going on. Nigeria, everything they are doing is a scam. Me, I always say this. Nigeria, what will help Nigeria is that Nigeria must do us separate. The foundation of Nigeria is 0/100. My brother, when your house, you don't have a good foundation in your house, if a little breeze blow, you know what will happen? The breeze will carry your house because you don't have a good foundation. That's what is going on in Nigeria. Okay, look at it now. Light. Tariff of light is higher now. Tariff of light is going high. How can you tell me that you NNPC said that within some days this queue will come? The queue will come down, and before how many days we understand that fuel is 700 or 800 naira. You cannot have anything to do. That's why I said that Fela Kuti's son, what's his name? Fela Seun, let Seun go to Ught and protest. Let Seun himself go to Ught protest. We know that Seun is hero of Nigeria. He cannot sit down one place collecting AC, smoking marijuana and take cocaine and say that Ekpa and Igboho and nnamdikanu is far distance and protect. Let's go and watch what Kanu said in second to the last call where he come out. Person that Nigeria federal government hold. He still there and tell Nigeria that Nigeria is the problem for themselves. You are seeing this somewhere, you are talking rubbish. Let him go to Ught and protest. No rice, no food, no fuel, no light. No light for Nigeria. I just stay somewhere talking rubbish. Let him go Ught and protest. We know that we have Femi or whatever in name. Seun. May stop talking rubbish. A stupid person that slap policeman. It's because of Nigeria police don't know left and right. This guy is supposed to rot in jail. The guy is supposed to rot in jail. He slap a citizen of a secretary of federation. Go and slap American police. Ordinary go and slap American police that hold stick. You will rot in jail. Talk less of the drive policeman that carry gun. Because the Nigerian police don't know how left and right. Let him go and protest. We know that yes, you already set a legacy for Nigeria. Thank you.
Thank you.